Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would be studying how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this drafting and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to proceed with this drafting would be to begin this drawing in the top view. So we'll begin this drawing in the top view by drawing this smaller circle of 30 dia and drawing another outer circle with the same center point of 50 dia. Then we will draw one line which is of 30 units anywhere on the drawing board and then move it from the center point to a distance of 110 units. Then we will draw one line from this point to a distance of 24 units and draw another line from here and tangential to this circle. Then we'll mirror these two lines on the opposite side. Then we'll go into the isometric view and push-pull this entity to a thickness of 50 units and this entity to a thickness of 10 units. Then we'll move this entity on the top at a distance of 20 units. Why 20? Because this is 20, this is 10 and this whole is 50. So obviously this is also 20. So we'll move this entity on the top for 20 units. Then we'll change to the front view and draw this entity, push-pull it to a thickness of 9 units and then copy it at both these ends, union it, and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. So friends, remember that the link for this file is given in the description of this video. Now we are in the top view of our drawing and so we'll begin by drawing this inner circle of 30 dia. So I select center circle and in circle I select center diameter and I draw one circle anywhere of a diameter of 30 units and press enter. So this is my innermost circle of 30 units. Again I select center diameter. With the same center point, I draw another circle of 50 dia and press enter. Then I will draw one line anywhere on my drawing board. I'll turn the ortho on and the length of that drawing of that line would be 30 units. Then I'll click on the midpoint of that line and I'll bring it over here and then I will move it from here to a distance of 110 units. Then I will again use the line command and draw one line from here to a distance of 24 units. Then I'll turn ortho off and I will type tangential to this circle and press enter. Then I will use the mirror command and I'll select both these lines, press enter, and then the first point of the mirror line is this and second point is this. Do not delete old objects, press enter. Now our top profile is ready, so we go into the isometric view. Now we use the press pull and first select this entity and press pull it to a thickness of 50 units and press enter. You can turn this from 2D wireframe to shades of gray. Then again we use press pull and select this entity and move it upward to a thickness of 10 units and press enter. Then we'll move this So we come out of press pull and then we type move. Select the entity, press enter, specify the base point and turn the ortho on and move it upward to a distance of 20 units. Now we no longer need the lower profile, so we delete the unwanted lines. This way, you can also go into the orbit and delete the line from this side as well and come back to your isometric view and change this to parallel view. Now we have to draw the profile over here, this profile. So we'll change the view to front view, and in the front view we'll begin by drawing a circle of radius 12 and another circle of diameter 12. So we first select circle, center diameter, and we click anywhere and give a diameter of 12, and again we use circle, center diameter, or we select center radius, same center point and radius is 12. Now we draw P line command and we click over here and extend the line downward 25 units, to the right 24 units and upward 25 units and press enter. Again press enter to come out of the P line command. Then press trim command, select cutting edges, click on this cutting edge, press enter and then click on the circle and our geometry is ready. Now we'll select this profile and we'll use press pull and pull this to a thickness of 9 units. Now you can turn the grid line off by pressing F7 and you can use the copy command. Select the objects to copy this object and specify the base point. Select this and move it over here, and then use the move command. Select the object to move is this, select the base point this and move it over here. Then use the union command and select this entire geometry and press enter and we are done. Now you can view the geometry in any possible direction using the orbit tool and see your geometry in all possible directions. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.